Hello everyone, welcome to Bhumi. Today we are going to discuss about a property, connector browsing max thread count. This property will be available in the properties panel in the advanced tab. This property will allow the maximum number of threads that are allocated to an atom worker for browsing. The display name will be connector browsing max thread count and the property name as follows as the screen. To enable this property, we have to go to the atom, the cloud atom, in the properties, the advanced tab. You have to click on the drop down, then you see the property connector browsing max thread count. Once you are able to see this property, you can click on the add a property. It will be available in the advanced tab. You can add the positive integers up to 50 to get the property enabled. The default property value will be a positive integer. The property applicable for only cloud atoms. The default value for this property is 50. The value format for this property will be a positive integer always. Thank you.